Hello friends, welcome to another video session. Today I'm going to show you something new. You might heard about the word called robustness testing, but if you don't know how it can be done, especially today I'm going to show how you can do with the web application that is focused on the Chrome, and this help. Most of companies are still not focused to doing this test, but if you do with your project or your whatever development environment, that will really add value. And one thing, it help you to understand what is robustness testing, and one, it's help you to the make this application very stable. With the definitions, robustness testing has also been used to describe the process of verifying the robustness. That means it show the correctness of the test cases in the test process. Uh, and according to ANSI and IEEE have defined robustness as the degree to which the system or a component can functions correctly in the presence of the invalid inputs or the stressful environmental conditions. Okay, this is a regard definition, but in general, uh, robustness say like how your application will react with the invalid inputs and stressful environment conditions. So today I'm going to share with you one of the extension that help you to do this testing easily. So remember, you can do this test with the web application as well as mobile application, and you can connect your mobile also uh, with Chrome, with the help of Chrome debugger mode, and launch this application which you are testing, and on that top of tool you can perform this test. But today in my video I will show you only how you can do with the uh, Chrome. That means your application or testing in a Chrome. So to get this extension, you need to go to the Chrome web store with this URL, and you need to search for the term called monkey testing, and you get the first extension. So you need to click for the add for the Chrome, and it for the ask for the approval. You click, and once it done, it download here, and once it's show up here. Okay, it's already here. It's quite fast, and because it's a small extension. And regarding this, once you click, we can look if you want more information who developed and what author say, so you can click on it, you can get more information. Then how they have it written very small description, but well, I will show you, then you understand more how to use this one. So it's already added. I feel it's very good application, so extension when you are testing the mobile applications. In mobile applications, you click randomly and you try to do this kind of stress testing. That can be possible when you connect your mobile device with the Chrome, with the debugger mode help, and link and launch the application here. Then it would be much more easy to test that whole condition with the mobile application. Okay, just I will close it, and for more information, if you want to learn, they have also Git repository, they have website. When you open, that will take you to the Git repository, and with the more extension you can read the more information. And this extension itself developed with the Node.js, and it's open source, you can get all code. And if you uh, check here, they already written like what kind of test. If you look here, this one application testing example they are showing to do. So you see it's making random clicks on the application, and it make increasing the stress with your application with the invalid inputs. So this is also they written more information why you can do, like it's also you can say as a fuzz testing. Fuzz testing is like a, that you basically you are confusing your applications with the invalid inputs and stressful conditions. That what in general they call as a fuzz testing. So here they have also given the code information. If you want, you can also modify code if you know programming language. So but at the basic level I can show you how we can use that one. For example, I want to test this on the one of the website called, for example, we try to use this some e-commerce website, because they have a much more input fields, so we can use this is the advantage. And if we click, we try to identify where we can test this one. We click on sign one, they have limited inputs, and sign up also limited inputs. Okay, whatever we try to use on the this website Flipkart home page with this one. So what I do, I will click here. Sometime it will appear immediately, sometime it's take a time, so it's loading. Until what I can do, I can explain you what is more about fuzz testing. Fuzz testing is a very trending nowadays. Fuzz testing is also very important because fuzz testing bring a value that will say like your application is robust or not. uh, Fuzz testing you can do with the application layer, I mean with the application, as well as you can do with the APIs. In the APIs also you can fuzz them, so you can get a more invalid input and stressful conditions, so you get to know. Its fuzz testing is an automated software testing technique that involves the providing invalid or unexpected or random data input to the computer program. So this kind of fuzz testing or monkey testing help us to identify the memory leaks. Again I say, you if you want to test this properly, you can use the mobile application. Try to connect mobile application and try to uh, open this in a debugger mode and run this fuzz testing. That help you to understand whether this mobile built developed application has a memory leak or not. With the web applications on the browser, it's really difficult to determine whether this has any memory leaks or not. Okay friends, there are some issue with this website, so what I do, I can open some other website and I look whether it's bring this window to do first testing or not. I clicked over here and I click on the monkey testing. Look like some issue with the website or maybe this extension. I will try with some other website. For example, I open this website and try. Okay, for example, it is asking how many seeds I want. Seed means one of the uh, how many randomly fuzz you want to do with this application. For example, I am looking for some more valid form that I can show you. It's not here, there is no login option here. And what I do, I will close those website and I will try to find something for you. So idea is like you will understand very well with testing. So what I do, I will to find to do list app demo, and I will search for it keyword, and there are number of links available. I see I need something where I can test exactly this tool. Okay, this is perfect what we landed. For example, if I add here something, I need to make two more video. This is one I have planned today, and so on. Then what I do, I launch this tool, and it asks for me how many seeds I want to provide. I say one seed, and I click on the start. Okay, now you notice there are circles and rectangulars and dots. So exactly what it is doing now, it is making the clicks on it, and also putting the invalid inputs, and adding some condition, and randomly clicking on a different places, and so on. So exactly what it is doing, so it's in a git information they written what kind of libraries they used for the click anywhere. That means it is clicking on the web application wherever it want, and it's also doing touch, so you can also use for a touch application testing, and fill the form, enter data selection, clicking the checkboxes and etc., and scroll the viewpoint and relieve the document, type on the keyboard, prevent the calls alert and logs, and so on. So it is doing so many kind of actions on with your applications. So we look what is the condition here, it's still going on. That means it is increasing the more inputs, and it is making the stressful condition with the application. The same thing if you are running on the mobile, you might see application maybe get crash, or maybe something unexpected error will occur. There is more chances. So I say like with mobile application testing, use this one definitely. With the web it's really hard to determine. What I do to understand, to show you more, I can go here and click on the stop. I will refresh this one. What I do, I will show you some more how you can identify memory leaks. You have to go to the browser debugger mode. You have to click on F12, and you need to look for the console errors, whether when you start this one whether you notice any console error or not. I provide one seed and click on the start. So you may notice here in the console, wherever it is clicking, those requests are sending to the server and information getting back. So you notice there are no errors at the moment in the console we notice. So I feel its application is able to handle the stressful conditions. If you look on a memory, we can dig deeper more, but in the basic level there are no errors. So what I do, I click and stop it. So hope friends you understand how to use this extension and improve your testing ability and provide a more quality of work with your project. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, or if you have any suggestion, or if you want to ask me to review some any other extension, please make a comment so I can pick up and make a review about it. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Okay friends, see you in next video.